Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're tackling a super practical topic: how to transfer ETH from CoinDCX to MetaMask in 2025. If you're into crypto, you know how important it is to move your assets securely, especially with the evolving landscape of blockchain tech. Whether you're a beginner or just need a quick refresh, I'll walk you through this step by step, so you can do it confidently in just a few minutes. First things first, make sure you have both a CoinDCX account and a MetaMask wallet set up. If you don't, head over to their websites and create one. It's straightforward and free. Once you're logged into MetaMask, go to your wallet and copy your ETH address. This is crucial because it's like your unique bank account number for Ethereum transactions. Double-check it to avoid any costly mistakes. Now, log into your CoinDCX account. Navigate to the Wallets or Assets section, find your ETH balance, and look for the Withdraw option. Paste your MetaMask ETH address into the withdrawal form. You'll also need to select the Ethereum network. Stick with the mainnet for standard transfers. Next, enter the amount of ETH you want to transfer. Remember, there might be network fees, so check the estimated gas fees first to ensure you're not overpaying. Once everything looks good, hit Confirm and authorize the transaction. You'll probably need to complete a two-factor authentication step for security. After that, sit tight. Transactions on the Ethereum network can take anywhere from a few minutes to an hour, depending on network congestion. Keep an eye on your MetaMask wallet to see when the ETH arrives. And there you have it. Your ETH is now safely in your MetaMask wallet. This process keeps your funds more decentralized and under your control. If you run into any issues, always reach out to CoinDCX support or check Ethereum status sites. Thanks for watching, and if this helped, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more crypto tips. See you in the next video.